Welcome to Genius Inventions, where we dive into the world of heavy machinery and groundbreaking technology. First up is the Holland CR1090, a leading combine harvester produced by New Holland Agriculture, based in Italy. This beast of a machine is designed to handle the toughest harvesting jobs with ease. Its standout feature is the advanced threshing technology that ensures maximum efficiency and grain quality. The Holland CR1090 is primarily used in large-scale farming operations, making it a game-changer for agricultural productivity. Next, we have the Tatra Phoenix 530, crafted by the Czech company Tatra Trucks. This robust off-road truck is built for heavy-duty tasks, featuring a powerful engine and a unique chassis design that offers exceptional durability and maneuverability. The Tatra Phoenix 530 is often used in construction and mining, where its ability to navigate challenging terrains comes in handy. Its special feature is the air-cooled engine, which significantly reduces the risk of overheating in harsh conditions. Moving on to the Liebherr TA 230 Litronic, a masterpiece from Liebherr Group in Germany. This articulated dump truck is known for its reliability and performance in transporting heavy loads over rough terrains. The TA 230 Litronic stands out with its fuel-efficient engine and advanced hydraulic system, ensuring optimal performance and lower operating costs. It's commonly used in quarrying and mining operations, showcasing its capability to handle extreme conditions with ease. Lastly, we explore the K-Tech Scraper Hauler Volvo 60-ton, a collaboration between K-Tech earth movers from Canada and Volvo construction equipment. This innovative setup is designed for rapid and efficient earth moving, combining K-Tech's high-capacity scrapers with Volvo's powerful hauling trucks. The special feature of this machine is its ability to move massive volumes of earth with minimal effort, making it perfect for large-scale construction and land development projects. Let's dive into the fascinating world of machinery, starting with the Liebherr LH 150M. This marvel comes from Liebherr, a renowned German company known for its heavy-duty equipment. The LH 150M is a material handler designed for efficiency and power in ports, scrapyards, and recycling facilities. Its standout feature is the advanced hydraulic system, which ensures optimal energy efficiency. This machine is all about moving large volumes of materials quickly and efficiently. Next up, we have the Senebogen 895E Hybrid, another giant in the material handling world. Senebogen, based in Germany, has outdone itself with this eco-friendly beast. The 895E Hybrid is unique for its green efficiency technology, blending power with sustainability. It's designed for heavy lifting and material handling in ports and recycling sectors, with a special emphasis on reducing emissions and energy consumption. Switching gears to battle the snow, the Overaisen self-propelled snowblower TV1000 is a must-mention. This powerful machine hails from Norway, crafted by Overaisen, a company with a rich history in snow-clearing equipment. The TV1000 is built to handle extreme snow conditions at airports and on roads. Its special feature is the ability to throw snow far away from the cleared path, ensuring that areas remain passable even after heavy snowfall. It's all about keeping runways and roads safe and operational during the winter months. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the Cosicadores Axiales Massey Ferguson MF Trident. Coming from the reputable AGCO Corporation, with roots in the USA, this combine harvester is a game changer in the agricultural sector. The MF Trident is known for its efficiency and adaptability, capable of harvesting a wide variety of crops. Its special feature includes advanced threshing technology that ensures maximum grain quality and minimal loss. This machine is designed to make the harvesting process faster, easier, and more productive for farmers around the globe. The Holland Broad 11.90X is a masterpiece in the world of agricultural machinery, crafted by New Holland Agriculture, a company with roots in the United States. This grape harvester is not just any machine, it's a symbol of efficiency and innovation in vineyard management. With its ability to navigate through rows with precision and gently harvest grapes, it ensures the highest quality of produce, makes it from vine to wine. What sets the Broad 11.90X apart is its onboard sorting system, which meticulously separates the best from the rest, making it indispensable for winemakers who aim for perfection. Next up, we've got the Roxgon Reefinator H4, a rugged piece of machinery born out of Australian ingenuity. The company behind this beast, Roxgon, designed it with one purpose: to transform unarable, rocky land into fertile soil ready for agriculture. This machine doesn't just break rocks, it demolishes them, turning what was once barren land into productive ground. Its special feature is the ability to work at depths that other machines can't reach, making it a game changer for farmers looking to expand their arable land. Moving on to colder climates, the Prinoth Snow Groomer stands out as the king of snow management. Manufactured by Prinoth, an Italian company, this machine is essential for ski resorts around the world. It's designed to meticulously groom ski slopes, ensuring a smooth and safe surface for skiers and snowboarders. What makes the Prinoth Snow Groomer special is its eco-friendly technology, minimizing environmental impact while maximizing performance. This feature is a testament to Prinoth's commitment to sustainability and top-notch ski conditions. Last but certainly not least, we have the Bracka T26. B. Tallriksharv, a forestry marvel from Bracka Forest based in Sweden. This machine is all about regeneration and sustainability. Designed for forest cultivation, it prepares the land for new planting by efficiently clearing and tilling the soil. The Bracka T26. B is especially noted for its precision and the ability to create an optimal growing environment for seedlings. It's a vital tool for forestry professionals aiming to balance productivity with environmental care.